How are you, Ken? How are you? How are you? Yes. How are you doing? Everything is okay. Yeah, I'm having work. Yeah, I'm opening. Yeah. Yes. Wait a second. Oh, it's so hard. It's so hard. Yeah. Almost, almost broken. Almost broken because I fall. I push, and it's not proper. Look, look. See, this one. This one. Because I have three different. I have this one, this, I have this, and I have this. Look, and I have this one. Look, this is for. I can use this for my iPod. For my. I can use this for my GoPro, and I can use this for something else. Yeah. So that's why it's so hard. And sometimes I forget, and sometimes maybe I will break it. So now look, there. I put like that. Okay. Oh no. There we go. Airdrop is yes, it's finished. So yeah, see look, I can use now, and I can talk properly with my okay guys. Okay, here. Okay guys, you can hear me properly, right? You can hear me now. Yeah, you can hear me. Yeah, this one is something wrong. Okay. Yeah, this one is something wrong. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working. Yeah. Hello guys, do you hear me guys? Please tell me if you hear me. I'm very I am very interested if you can hear me. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Okay, yeah, done. So I want to look if I can open it. Okay, open. Yeah, stay here. Okay, there we go. Open now. So I want to go to here, and I want. Hello guys. So you can hear me, right? You can hear me. I want to look. I want to look if it's okay. Yeah, because need to be okay. Yes. 21. 21. Yes, I want to look. Hello guys. Hello guys. Do you hear me, guys? Please tell me. Tell me if it's working. Okay. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. It's working, right? Hello. It's working. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, that's the problem there. That's the problem because sometimes it's not working. Yeah.
Okay, so guys.
Oh, thank you. It's working. It's working now. Okay. So, guys, yeah, it's working now. So, I'm so happy because I thought it now what. So, now it's working. So, yes, Ken Russell, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, guys. Um, Today, okay, I want to tell you something. Today, we went to the market. So, when I went to the market, what is this? Okay. When I went to the market, we having what do you call this? Yes, we having yes. Okay, they have.
Hello everyone.
Hello!
I'm with Alexis and with Ate Judy and Ate Nida.
Yeah.
Welcome to welcome to my vlog to Nida's cooking show.
I love Island because
Oh, oh, pakita sa just follow away.
oh
Oh,
oh I love Philippines. They are good in singing.
yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, they have a music, so I cut it off. Thank you, Ken Russell. Thank you so much. Yeah, they have a music, and I don't want to get trouble. Yeah, I want to. I don't want to get trouble. See, look at us. It's very hot, guys. It's very hot. We are walking. We are walking, but we are in the beach, and also that kid there, his name is Sammy in his birthday. So I I treat him as ice cream, and I bought for him a bread, and we like a chicheria. We went to the neighbor of his house, so we enjoyed a lot. How nice they are. That's the one we yeah. It's very. But you know, guys, I want to tell you something. If you're using for our cell phone for live, it's really moving too much. You know, right? So look, it's very nice, and also everyone is happy when we have our what do you call it? Our bread. We have what do you call this? We bought cold. Yeah, we get cold. We got cold, and we got our what else I have there? Coke and we got our our some of the you know some of the foods that we eat, like like chicheria. Yeah, we have a chicheria. So yeah, we are not things. We are not hungry because we are enjoying there. Ken, thank you, Ken. And also we have our they have like a water. We buy a water, and they have a dog. We just enjoying ourselves down there. And so happy we are laughing. It's very nice. It's very nice. And also because the good thing there, no, I'm telling you something. The good thing in the beach is very nice and very interesting, and lots of like when you watch the thing like surround, like because they have a mango, yeah, they have what it is, snails and nails and shell that you can pick up in the sea and you can cook and everything. Yeah, that's the yeah, guys. I have hula hula because 500, but I'm only trying to put that advertise for myself, okay? Because I want to do it, but once that I s- and also I say that who is coming, for example, uh, like I give aways for membership because I have my free things that I can use. For example, see, I just try to my membership here, so I try to do myself, and my card is working, so I can do give away a membership. I can give away a super sticker, super charter, and I will do like five people's like a membership. It's healthy, if you have a what do you call it,